Alright. I look good, babe. Look, okay, now I said I wasn't doing this, but if the shoe fits, then let me map it out like a blueprint. Here go my 2 cents, I've been done. Deuces. Now other nigga foolish for keep feeding you that bullshit, Now my new girl ain't complaining. My past you can't blame it. She just wanna tame it. Try to make me put a ring on it. Go ahead, nigga, claim it. That's what they keep saying. Like a red shirt ain't playing. So I had to switch it up and take some dark skin. And when I'm in the booth, baby, I'm Clark Kent. Got no rugs, but we still burning up carpet. And my old bitch just need to stop it. And some new shit, cause I got it. Just trying to make a profit. And my mind been so gone. Been out the game for so long. Like Randy Moss trying to go long. Or call me Roger, go home. I had to set my own tone. Smoking heavy on the daily. And my mama still praying for me. For the man my dad made me. Cause I've been trying to deal for this record deal. I'm trying to make a kill just to make a meal. Just dream chasing, trying to meet meal. And I'm still ice cold, call it chill wheel. And if I said I do, I bet she still will. Told my girl not to worry, cause I'm still here. Yeah, don't worry, girl, I'm still here.